Hey guys, welcome to my channel. On this video you guys will see how I achieved this everyday makeup look. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Julissa Escalante Makeup and a thumbs up. Let's get started. So I'm going in with my primer and I'm using the POREfessional by Benefit Cosmetics. And I'm just gonna put it all over my skin. I'm focusing it more on my T-zone because that is where the oils come out throughout the day. Okay, so after primer, I'm gonna go in and color correct, and I'm gonna use CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous in the shade Fair Clair. And I'm just gonna take it in my red spots. And then I'm just gonna blend it out with the Beauty Blender. After that, I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm just gonna take an angled brush, like this, and I'm just gonna follow along with my shape of my own eyebrow and just shade it in. After that is done, I'm gonna take my same concealer that I used to color correct, and I'm just gonna brighten up my eyebrows on the bottom, just to give them that more sharp and defined look. And to blend that out, I will be using a flat brush, just a flat brush, and just blend it all out. So after that is complete, I'm gonna go in with my brow gel from Brow This Way from Rimmel in the shade Medium Brown, just to get all your flyaways from your eyebrows and just set them all down. So I'm gonna go in with my eyebrow brush and just comb it all out, just so they're all blended together. After that is complete, I'm going to go in with my foundation, and I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte in the shade 106 Sun Beige. And I'm just going to dot it all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Laura Ashley brush and just blend it all out. I'm going to blend it all the way down to my neck so that it can match my neck. After that is complete, I'm going to go in and conceal, and I'm going to be using the same concealer in the CoverGirl Ready Set Gorgeous, same shade. And I'm just going to put it under my eyes. And I'm also going to bring it on top of the bridge of the nose so we can just brighten up the area. Then I'm gonna go in with my Beauty Blender and just blend it all out. So after the blending is done, I'm gonna go in with my translucent powder from HD Flawless Absolute New York. I'm just gonna bake underneath my eyes. And then I'm just gonna put it all over my face to blur fine lines and pores so it can give you a better look. After that, I'm just gonna let it sit on my face for a little bit so it can bake. And then I'm gonna go in and prime my eyelids with the same concealer. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on the eyelids. And after that, I'm gonna take another flat brush and just blend it all out. And then I'm just gonna go in with the same Beauty Blender that I baked with, and not picking up any more product, and just set it down. And then I'm gonna go back in with an angled brush and just brush off the excess of the translucent powder. For my eyeshadow, I'm going to be using a fluffy brush, and I'm going to go in with this bronzer from Bahama. And I'm just going to place it, I'm going to take the fluffy brush and just blend it all over my eyelid. And you can just take as much as you want, as much product as you want to define your look. After that, I'm gonna go in with a precision smush brush, and I'm just gonna take the same the same shade, just put it under my lash line. After that, I'm gonna go in with my eyelash curler and just curl my eyelashes. And then I'm gonna go in with the Maybelline Full and Soft Waterproof Mascara. Just apply it on my eyelashes. So after my eyelashes are complete, I'm gonna go in and contour. And I'm gonna go in with the Wet n Wild Makeup Stick Contour in the shade Oaks on You. And I'm just gonna take it starting from the top of your ear down your cheek. And I'm also gonna do it on my forehead, just the sides of the forehead, so it can make my forehead look slimmer. As well as with my jawline, so it could just define the jawline. And my nose, so it can look slimmer. And then I'm going to take the same beauty blender and just blend it all out. After that is complete, I'm going to go in with the Profusion bronzer and highlighter. And I'm going to go in with the shade Soft Brown, which is this one. I'm going to go in with an angled brush and place it on my cheek where I contoured. And then I'm just going to take a smaller angled brush to contour the nose. So after contouring is complete, I'm going to go in with my blush using the Milani in the shade Rose. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and just place it all over my cheek. After blush is complete, I'm going to go in with my highlight from Anastasia, the Sugar Glow Kit, and I'm going to go in with the shade Butterscotch. After that, I'm going to take a precision smudge brush, and then I'm going to take the same highlight and just place it. I'm going to place it on the tip of my nose, as well as with the bridge and the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm also going to place it on the endings of my eyebrows so it can just make that eyebrow pop. After that is complete, I'm going to take my Kate lipstick from Rimmel and just place it all over my lips. So this is the finished product, guys. I hope you guys liked it. And yeah.